Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how to access the files that you recently purchased through optionstrategist.com. First, we want to log into your account. To do so, click the Login button at the top right corner of the screen, and you will be brought to the login page. Enter in your username and password and click Login. Now you will be in the My Account section of the website. Underneath our username, where in this case Option Trader, we're going to click on the Files link, and you will be directed to the Files section of the site. Here you will see a listing of all the files you have purchased. To download the file, simply left-click on the file name. If you are not automatically prompted to download a file, that means that your browser likely has a default folder that you download to. Regardless, if you click the link on the site, the download should begin. In this case, I'm going to save the file. Once I click save, the download will start.